Do you have a Nissan or Infiniti with a no start and or no communication issues? If the answer is yes, and you have one of the vehicles mentioned in this video, stick around to find out how you can fix your vehicle. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Ernest with UpFix, and today I want to talk about the Nissan Infiniti engine control module. Having a major issue like no start and no communication with your ECU will render your vehicle inoperative. Nissan and Infiniti for a certain number of years used this specific ECU, which over time became an issue, especially since many of these vehicles are still on the road today. As you can see on your screen, these ECUs can be found on various year makes and models. So this ECU is usually located inside the engine bay near the firewall, but it could vary depending on what year make and model it is. For example, on the Nissan Xterra 2005 to 2012, the location of the ECU is near the firewall on the passenger side adjacent to the fuse box. Due to the age and design of the ECU, these eventually fail, which can prevent the vehicle from starting. If you hook up an OBD2 scan tool and you get no communication with your ECU with the following codes displaying U0100 and or U0101, there's a good chance your ECU needs to be refurbished. First, check the fuses, wiring, and harness plug pin connectors on the ECU to ensure there's no corrosion, dirt, or bent pins. If you see any chafing in the wiring, then that could cause no communication issues as well. If you've already done all the troubleshooting steps on your end, send in your ECU and let us know what's going on with your unit. Our certified repair technicians will perform a full bench test and get your car back on the road again. Why repair the original one, you might ask? Well, purchasing a replacement ECU can cost hundreds of dollars for a used good working one, let alone a new one, plus the additional programming fees to pair it with your vehicle, since these are VIN encoded and have specific programming. Now, ideally, it's best to have your original one refurbished, not only because it has all your original programming, but because another used or new one might have the same manufacturing defect, which means it's only a matter of time before the issues inside have to be addressed. We install the highest quality replacement components to extend the life cycle of your ECU, which also helps reduce electronic waste, since the original unit intended for your vehicle will be functioning like new again. Once your unit arrives at our facility, we first confirm that a valid VIN has been provided and check to make sure the issues described are something we can repair. When that's been confirmed, we can go ahead and proceed with repairs and typically can have it repaired and back to you within 2 to 3 business days. If after you scanned your vehicle with an OBD2 scan tool and confirmed you have these issues, carefully pack your part and mail it in, we'll repair your part and keep you up to date along each step of the repair process. If you've liked this video and would like to see more like this, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Leave your questions down in the comments below, and thanks for watching.